Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming addition and matching server-client versions because mismatches block voice. Next, install the specific voice mod or server plugin on both sides. This enables audio packets. Once done, verify Java and game versions and allow the plugin port through your firewall so traffic flows. Make sure server permissions let the plugin run. Without that, voice won't initialize. Finally, restart server and clients to load the mod cleanly before proceeding to configuration. Now configure the voice mod so audio quality and behavior fit your setup. Select the correct microphone and sample rate. 48,000 Hz balances fidelity and CPU. Choose push-to-talk or voice activation depending on background noise. Assign a comfortable key if you pick push-to-talk. Then set proximity or channel ranges so players hear appropriate distances, and on the server define channels and permissions to prevent abuse. Once configured, test locally with one client to confirm audio routing and latency. Finish by running a live test with friends so you can observe real usage. Walk, talk, and stand apart to confirm proximity and volume, and tweak microphone gain if voices clip or are too quiet. If echo appears, enable echo cancellation and reduce speaker volume or switch to headphones. If someone cannot join voice, recheck port forwarding or firewall rules, match plugin versions, and inspect server logs for initialization errors. Often a single version mismatch or blocked port is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.